Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video we will discuss how to set up Docooler 300 megabits per second Wi-Fi range extender using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. Before starting the setup, place the extender close to your main Wi-Fi router. Plug the extender into a wall power outlet near the router. Turn on the power if your model has a power switch. Wait 30 to 60 seconds for the device to boot. When the extender starts, the power LED light will turn on. Some indicator lights may blink during startup. Now locate the WPS button on your Wi-Fi router. Most routers have a physical WPS button labeled WPS on the front or back panel. If you are not sure where it is, check the router's label or manual. To start the connection process, press the WPS button on your router. The WPS LED on the router will start blinking. This blinking light means the router is now searching for nearby WPS-enabled devices like your extender. Within 2 minutes, do the following: locate the WPS button on the Docooler Extender. Press the WPS button once. After pressing it, the WPS LED or signal LED on the extender will start blinking. The extender will begin communicating with the router automatically. During this process, the extender copies your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, your Wi-Fi password, or your router's wireless settings. This automatic process usually takes 30 to 90 seconds. Do not unplug the extender during this process. Watch the LED lights on the extender. The WPS or signal indicator will blink while connecting. Once the connection is successful, the light will stop blinking and stay solid. A solid light means the extender has successfully connected to your router. Unplug the extender from the current outlet. Move it to a location between the router and the area with weak Wi-Fi signal. Open Wi-Fi settings on your phone, laptop, or tablet. Look for the extended network name. Usually it appears as your Wi-Fi name _ext. Select the network. Enter the same Wi-Fi password as your router. Now your setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.